Hello guys, good evening. So it's 35th day and we all are present today. And today is Saturday, tomorrow we will be having leave. Our gym will not be open today. So we done several exercises regarding triceps and I am very tired up because I did several exercises regarding triceps and it's for the first time that I have done so many exercises only dedicated to triceps. So my hands are paining today. Yesterday I have also done. What was yesterday? Biceps exercise. So today it's triceps.
Yesterday's bicep was too good.
Yeah. And
इधर से हेलो गाइस
पहले बताना था. हाँ. So our trainer will explain what are the things we did and how is our improvement story. growth
improvement
story.
is quite good but
Are you disappointed with our performance today?
yeah I am totally disappointed with your performance and but I
all-
can't do anything other than just waiting for your performance get better.
We can't satisfy you.
These guys are
Sorry-
not able to
sorry-
satisfy me.
Sorry sir, we disappointed you. But it's all because we did several exercises regarding biceps yesterday. So my hands were
Yeah, I
paining
can
today.
understand it's little
Yes.
bit new to
Yeah.
you all guys.
So-
And anyways, but it is
So-
1 month apart. Now you have to do better.
So thank you that you started specific exercises every day.
Yeah.
Earlier I was doing each and every exercise randomly.
That the thing we have
Yeah.
to do
Plan,
day by day,
yeah.
weekly. We have what we are doing every day.
But,
if
can
you
you-
do mix, then it won't be that much.
Can you explain me how when you will be working on my belly fat? When
for
I will
belly
be
fat,
reducing
you
it?
have to work on like for
I have to
improving the abs
Huh.
abs type of.
So on
workout.
which day we will be working on abs?
We will work on maybe Friday, next Friday.
Next Friday.
Upcoming Friday.
So it's
Why?
Saturday only. 6 days, 7 days remaining.
Our schedule is totally packed, guys. You can understand that.
So why you didn't? Do what belly exercise yesterday only? Today, yesterday was Friday only.
But it is not like that. That it is the Friday we have to do this. Now you have told
On
me
Monday?
that you have to do that as well. So I will include that thing as well in the exercise.
Yeah, belly.
And
have to reduce
I will
belly.
mix bicep and tricep in one day, and I'll adjust belly in between that day.
Okay. So here comes international player.
International.
So why are you so late, bro?
Ismail bhai.
Huh?
I went in one.
Our viewers want to know why are you so late?
I went in one friend house. One friend.
One friend.
We are playing game.
Playing
Which game?
Which game?
FIFA.
FIFA?
FIFA.
On
FC.
mobile.
PS?
No.
PS?
PS5.
PS5 here.
Who
Which
has
friend?
played?
PhD friend.
PS?
He's working here.
Working.
Working.
You want to play? You know how to play?
Supratim is from our department.
No. Super team has gone to home, I think.
FIFA's.
Let it be.
You want to
also
play?
game
You know how to play?
FIFA?
Yeah.
No.
We are new. So here comes Divakar.
He used to play GTA San Andreas.
Divakar, come this side.
You don't play.
So what are the things you did today?
I did shoulder, I did squats, I did some stomach reducing exercise to lose my weight as usual, and I
So here comes our star boy.
Yeah.
So
come this side.
come this side. You don't need the lights, bro. You are already glowing.
Then come this side.
So recite your quote. My hands are paining, bro. End up quickly.
So today's quote is, so the objective should feel almost insane so that you can push harder for that objective.
Yeah, I like this quote very most.
Yeah. The
मेरा तो लैंडस्केप में मैं ही नहीं पूरा ही नहीं आ रहा. हाँ? हाँ? क्या कर रहा है ये? सॉरी गाइस फॉर डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. ऐसे कुछ भी करना चाहते हैं.
देखा मैं उस साइड गिरूंगा नाक के बल भाई.
वो देखो उधर ट्रेनर बॉय झूलने के लिए क्या क्या नहीं करते.
हमारे ओजी ट्रेनर कितना कर पाते हैं। ओहो, भाई साहब ट्रेनर में दम तो है भाई।